Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today my word is Enamour. Enamour. And the past tense of Enamour is enamored. So what does the word enamour means? Enamour means fond of, captivated, fascinated, in love with, means I am very fond of something. But liked, I like something very much. It is a subject of my choice, of my like. So this, the word enamour means which I like the most. It's a very precious thing to me. Now I'll give some example sentences. Like the first sentence I can say, Ritu is enamored with the dress her mother her mother gifted her gifted on her birthday. Second one I can say, I was absolutely enamored at the sight of the tulips especially the red ones at the tulip garden in Kashmir. So let me repeat. I was absolutely enamored at the sight of the tulips, especially the red ones at the tulip garden in Kashmir. But you can say located in Kashmir. And the last one I can say, Yeats, the poet, was simply enamored by Tagore's poetic brilliance when they met at Rothenstein's residence on 27th June. So I repeat, each was simply enamored by Tagore's poetic brilliance when they met at Rothenstein's residence on 27th June. So this is my meaning of the word enamour. Okay, thank you for watching.